Guy Fawkes and Bonfire Night. In 1605, King James I, the Protestant King of England, asked all Catholic priests to leave the country. The Catholics were not happy with this, and a group of men wanted to kill the king. The men planned to blow up the Parliament on the 5th of November. They placed 36 barrels of gunpowder in a cellar under the Houses of Parliament. It was the job of one of them, Guy Fawkes, to light the gunpowder. But someone found out about the gunpowder plot and told one of the king's men. On the evening of the 4th of November, Guy Fawkes was ready. He waited in the cellar for the next morning to light the gunpowder. 2 hours before the king opened Parliament, a group of guards checked the cellar. Guy Fawkes was there with the gunpowder. They arrested him. The guards forced Guy Fawkes to tell them the names of the other men. They arrested them too and killed them. King James I decided to celebrate. He asked the people of England to make great bonfires. People prepared guys, model figures of men, from old clothes and straw, and burned them on top of the bonfires. Bonfire Night is still a popular celebration in Great Britain today. The British celebrate it with bonfires and fireworks. But every year, before the opening of Parliament, the Royal Guards search the cellar under the Houses of Parliament, just in case.